Right, what we have here is the gear linkage. It's completely broken. I see you can't even get into gear, it's just flopping all over the place. And we have a temporary solution that might actually last you longer than usual. We have sellotape, and we're going to fix it with this, as we have done before, and it's lasted us a good 6 months before it's just broken right now. So we're going to refix it. Like you see, the bonnet's up, and we're ready to give it a shot again. As you look, we're broken, we're stuck at the side of the road, and we're going to try and fix it again.
Oh shit, I think the whole thing actually broke this time. Actually no, it's back.
Can we actually see inside?
Huh?
Nothing over there.
Oh, sellotape.
Where's that? That's the old sellotape, nice and dirty. Can we actually see the gear linkage from in here?
Huh? Yeah, you see this one here? Can you see it?
Yes.
Right, it's always next to this part here. You have this little, it's like a little ball on it.
Yeah.
You can see it move. Can you see that thing?
Yeah.
Okay, fully hand straight to the top of that.
Yeah.
Okay, and connect it. It's like a little ball on top. And you connect that to another thing that feels like a little ball, and they're just on top of each other. And you just sellotape those 12 parts together, that's it.
Oh well, use the sellotape and see if it works anyways. And I would like to shove this thing down there so you can see how it's done, but I'm using a 10-inch Galaxy Note, so this thing's big and chunky, so getting down there is a bit of a pain.
Yep, getting down there is a pain. Take a few attempts, but you'll get it. Engine's very hot, so try and do this when it's not so hot. Don't use your car.
Mind you, this is the Vauxhall Corsa twin port.
Same as our Corsa. License, please. Show them on my hands and then you can see where to put the hand, right?
Yeah, no, I see it.
All you're doing is sellotape those ball joints back together, but make sure it's slotted in. Finished.
Let's see if it works. Alright.
Temporary fix by the side of the road. Was that 3 minutes? 4 minutes?
Yeah, just on the 4-minute mark.
Look, yeah.
Look at that, it's not sliding back and forth anymore. The gear is now fixed. So you fix Vauxhall Corsa gear linkage, or possibly any other gear linkage.
No, that's any gear linkage on any car. If it snaps, then you put them back together. Just temporary fix.
Yeah, so no more
Don't
being...
go to the garage, because all they do is slot it back with some little fake glue and it won't last that long. Sellotape works a hell of a lot better.
So remember...
Anyway, so I'm driving Matthew.
There you go.
Let's
Use this. So good luck in your future endeavours of trying to fix your gear linkages.